Hi guys, I'm Sonal and welcome to my channel. Today I'm sharing the recipe of a Keto Schezwan rice. It's one of my favorite recipes and it has this spicy kind of little bit of spicy sauce called the Schezwan sauce, and I'm going to share a recipe to that. The link will be on the screen or in the description. You can check that out. So I just absolutely love this sauce and it goes really well with noodles or rice, and it's a popular dish in India. It's an Indian Chinese dish, so it's an Indian version of a Schezwan recipe. I'm sure you're going to love it because it's full of vegetables. It's made from cauliflower rice and I've also added some other vegetables and eggs. So it's wonderful. It's a keto recipe. If you like it, click the like button, subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell on all notifications. Also share it with your friends and family, and let's go ahead and see how I make this recipe. So in a wok I have taken 1.5 tablespoon of butter, to which I have added 2 teaspoons of finely chopped onion, 1 tablespoon of garlic, 1.5 teaspoon of ginger and 1 teaspoon of green chilies. I have chopped all of this finely and we're going to fry this in the butter for a bit. Once it is slightly brown, I have added 100 grams of chicken mince. You can add any mince of your choice. Chicken mince cooks quicker, so which is good. In the meanwhile, there'll be some browning or burning on the sides, which actually tastes good because it gives the fried rice kind of a wok flavor where everything is cooked at a high heat and there's some kind of smokiness in the food. And I'm trying to break all the lumps, so I've switched my spoon. Now I've added 1 tablespoon of chopped peppers. You can leave this out, and a few French beans. Just for color I have added them, and 1/3 cup of shredded cabbage. We're going to fry all of this quickly on a high flame, and once that is done, I have taken it to one side and I'm adding my cauliflower rice or riced cauliflower. I've added 4 tablespoons at this point and I'm mixing all of this together. And now we're going to add the egg. For that, again, I have sort of made place for it. I've added some oil and put 1 egg in. You're going to let it set a little bit at the bottom, and once that's done, then I'm going to break the yolk as you see here. So I break the yolk, I'm salting it, about 1/8 teaspoon of salt. We're going to add soy sauce later, so you don't have to salt it too much at this point, and mix everything well. If you have some bean sprouts, you can add them at this point. Now I've added 1 teaspoon of Chings Schezwan chutney. If you don't have this, you can add some chili garlic sauce along with a little bit of tomato paste, because this is spicy, garlicky and a little hint of sweetness from the tomato. 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, and I'm mixing everything well. I'm also going to share a recipe for a homemade Schezwan sauce, which is going to be completely carb free. Once everything is thoroughly mixed, I felt like I need a little more of the riced cauliflower, so I added 2 tablespoons more, and this seems perfect. At this point I've added 2 tablespoons of green onions, the green part, and our rice is ready. Look at it, how beautiful, and it was delicious. I am going to eat this with 1 fried egg and some kimchi. You can eat it with any kind of side dish or a salad or a protein. Look at it, how good it looks. It looks just like rice and it tasted like rice. So here is my fried egg and my kimchi, and I'm going to take a bite and show you. So look at my yolk. I love runny yolks. They just give any dish a different kind of creaminess and umami flavor. Look at it, some kimchi and some fried rice. Delicious. I hope you guys have liked the recipe and will try it out. Let me know if you do in the comments section. And thanks for watching. Bye.